Alright kiddos, so here we are on top of Carroll Ridge. Those are the painted hills in front of you there. Aren't they beautiful? There's a huge breeze here. I'm having a hard time holding the camera steady. And you see all those painted hills. Now I'm turning and hopefully I don't fall over. Your daddy's holding on to me so I don't. You can see the little painted cove we stopped at. Right there, just above the lake. That road takes you to the painted cove, and then to the left there, where you see a little bit of purple, that's the painted cove. And then look, we climbed up so high we could see all this area. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Miles and miles and miles on a beautiful, partly sunny, partly cloudy day.